Hi, welcome back to Java tutorial. Welcome back to Hostbox channel and Java tutorial. It's a tutorial for basics of Java and core Java also. So previous session introduction Java, I told what is Java, why Java is so important, and features of Java, and how to write a simple program and execute and compile and execute also. Today this session we are going to see session 2 in the internal details of Java program and Java platforms edition and types of Java applications. Why we need important means then only you can you can choose a Java as a career, Java programmer or anything like that. And today survey saying IT companies, and according to the view saying survey saying Java is the number 2 language. We go to the slide now. So I want to remember a thing. So any program you can any Java program, how do you save it? You can save the program name with .java. For example, if you have a program simple program, you can write simple.java like that. If you want to compile after installing and set the JDK path everything, you can type java space simple.java. Then there is no error means compilation error means you can go and execute the program with the help of Java command java space simple. That is a file name like that. We go to the session now. So what happens while compiling and running the program? At compile time, Java is compiled by the Java compiler and converts the Java code into bytecode, where you keep in mind that it does not interact with the operating system. Then example you can say, for example, you have program called simple.java. It will convert to simple.class, that is Java code convert to the bytecode. This is the thing we have to know before going to the Java concept deeply. Then what happens on runtime? So runtime, what happens means in the class file move to the class loader, then the class loader move to the bytecode verified like that, and it go to the interpreter. And runtime is, you can see the output. Any Java program you can view the output here if no error means, and these are connected with the hardware. So this diagram we have now some of the information like what is class loader, bytecode verified, and interpreter. Remaining we know, and upcoming sessions you can understand clearly also. Here, what is class loader? It is a subsystem of JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, that is used to load class files. Keep in mind that. Then bytecode verifier. It always checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to objects or not. And next one is the interpreter, very important, where it read bytecode stream, then execute the instructions. So interpreter 1 where it read bytecode stream and execute the instruction, very important. Then Java platforms or edition. There are 4 Java platforms edition. The one is the Java SE, that is Java Standard Edition, and next one is the Java Enterprise Edition, and next one is Java Micro Edition, and last one is the Java FX. We'll see one by one. So Java platforms. What is Java Standard Edition? It's a Java programming platform. It includes the Java programming API, that is application programming interface, such as java.lang, java.io, java.net, where java.util, java.sql for database connectivity, java.mat, that means adding the mathematical functions like that. And also it includes the core topics like OOPS concept, string, okay, that is object oriented programming language, programming like that, and string, exception, inner classes, multi-threading, IO stream, networking, AWT, swing, reflection, collection, etc. So these are topics we are going to see. If you are fresher and if you are working, if you are studying engineering or whatever with the student like that, start as a Java career. Most of them we are working in the Java standard edition only. Whether you create an applet or developing or connecting database, whatever there in the Java like that. So then Java Standard Edition, then Java EE, that is Java Enterprise Edition, where it is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop web and enterprise applications, and also it is built on the top of the Java SE platform, and also it includes the topics like servlet, JSP, web services, EJP, that is Enterprise Java Bean, JPA, and etc. So these are the little bit one you can, if you want to deeply study Java, later after understanding the basics of concept you can go and study, that is Java Enterprise Edition, where it is for day-to-day life web and enterprise applications, etc., web development, etc. Then Java ME, Java Micro Edition, where it's a micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. So day to day life we are seeing the lot of Android mobiles and some of the mobiles Android and iPhone like that. So many Android mobiles coding done by with the help of Java only. Then types of Java applications. There are the application of Java will be divided into four. One is a standalone application, then one is a web application, then another one is an enterprise one application, and last one is the mobile application. So here standalone application, that means another name is called desktop applications or window based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Okay, then examples. Standalone application, you can see the day-to-day life like that. Example, that is media player, antivirus, AWT, and swings, where swings are used in Java for creating standalone applications. These are the normal applications where any user who knows Java, they can develop and every time install for the system. Then web applications, an application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page is called a web application. So as you know, we have a website, means there will be a front end, back end, all are connected with the SQL or any database, and also they need support of Java only. And currently servlet, JSP, struts, Spring, Hibernate, JSF, etc. technologies are used for creating web application in Java. So dynamic page means what? Whenever you want, it will give always updated page one. Whenever you click the website, for example, say when you click the website, it should be in updated information like that. Then enterprise application, an application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, extra is called an enterprise application. So what is enterprise application? The given here is application should be distributed in nature. Okay, like example say banking like that. And also it has the advantage of high level security, load balancing and clustering. And in Java, EJB is used for creating enterprise applications. Okay, these are some of the things are going for advanced concept of Java. Database step by step. Mobile applications, an application which is created for mobile devices is called a mobile application. Currently you can say Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile applications, just now we seen before. Okay, these are points I want to convey about the internal or working of Java program, any Java program, and types of Java platform, and some of the applications of Java. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe and share with your friends and wait for updates. Thank you.